In this video, you'll be learning how to make a carnival feathered headpiece. Enjoy! Alrighty, so I have my glue gun, glue stick, cardboard, a headband, blue feathers, red feathers, some black feathers, some flat back rhinestones, tape, E6000, and some more feathers. Alrighty, so I've placed my red feathers down already, and I'm going to put my blue feathers down. I'm just placing it to see where I'd like it to be, and just trying to see the position of it or whatever. So after I figure out where I want them to be, I'm just going to go ahead and glue them down. And you kind of got to be careful. It's pretty hot. I'm also placing my feathers closer to the top because I want them to be a little bit taller. If I would have put the stems a little further down, it would be shorter than what I wanted it to be, so I'm just placing it at the top like that. And these blue feathers are actually rooster feathers. The bigger red feathers are ostrich feathers. And I'll list all that below in the info bar. And I just have one more left to put down. And then I will start placing my red feathers, and they're ostrich feathers, and they're about 12 inches. Now with me placing my red ostrich feathers, the goal is to not see the cardboard when you're done with this whole thing. Like, I don't want to see anything because you don't want to wear your headpiece and you can see the cardboard. The cardboard is just there as a solid foundation. So if you've covered the whole cardboard, you've definitely, achieved a big part of making this. So here we go. I've put down another layer of blue rooster feathers, and I'm putting the black 8-inch feathers that are trimmed with like black ribbon to finish off the front. Now I'm going to the back, and I'm going to do another black feather trim to cover that. Now you can see a little bit of the cardboard still, so when I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and put some red 12-inch ostrich feathers so that I can't see the cardboard. Again, we do not want to see the cardboard. So I'm just placing them to see where I want it to be. And once I've figured out where I want it to be, I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue them to my headpiece. So there we go. I'm going to put a couple of blue ones in the back, but I've actually added rhinestones to the front, the flat back rhinestones, and yeah. So now I'm going to hot glue gun on the back, and I'm going to place my headband back there. Now concerning this headband, I basically just put 2 holes in the bottom and put ribbon in the back so that it will tie to my head. It's very simple. So this is the end result, and this is my feathered headpiece.